In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and send recurring reports and dashboards in email. To begin, open the platform and head to the reporting area. This is where reporting tools and saved insights are organized. From there, click on Dashboards. Make sure you are viewing the specific dashboard you want to send on a schedule, since the email will be based on the exact dashboard that is currently selected. Once you are on the right dashboard, look for the Share option. Click Share and then choose Email this dashboard. This opens the email scheduling settings, where you can configure both one-time and recurring sends. Next, find the setting labeled "Is this a recurring email?" and toggle it to Yes. Turning this on is what unlocks the recurring schedule options, so the dashboard can be delivered automatically without you needing to resend it manually each time. Now you will fill in the key details. Enter a nickname first. This is an internal label that helps you identify the scheduled email later, especially if you manage several different recurring sends. Choose something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. After that, add your recipients. Use the intended recipient addresses for the people who should receive the dashboard. Double-check spelling and formatting, because an incorrect address can prevent delivery or send the report to the wrong person. Then set the frequency. Select daily, weekly, or monthly depending on how often the dashboard needs to be delivered. Choose a cadence that matches how frequently the underlying data changes and how often your audience needs updates. After frequency, choose the file format for your email attachment. Open the attachment dropdown and select PDF, PPTX, or zip image. PDF is usually best for a clean, printable snapshot. PPTX is helpful when recipients need to present the dashboard in slides. Zip image can be useful when you want image exports bundled together. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom right and click Schedule Email. This saves your settings and activates the recurring delivery, and that is all there is to it.